In this video, we are going to show you how to replace your power steering cap. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started. We'll make our way right over to the power steering reservoir located on the passenger side under the hood. Go ahead and grab that cap, turn it counterclockwise, and lift it up and away from the reservoir. Before you continue putting on your cap, go ahead and clean up the area where the cap needs to mount to. Okay friends, now it's time for our installation. Let's take this and put it in place on the power steering reservoir. Turn it clockwise until you're sure it's nice and tight. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.